in a document can provide easy access to external websites, folders, email addresses, etc. But did you know that you can use the hyperlinks to navigate to different parts of the same document? Yes. To do this, you will have to do two things. One, create a bookmark of the destination, and two, add hyperlink to the source. To create a bookmark, select the text that you want to use as a link and click on Bookmark from the Insert tab. Give it a name of your choice and click on Add. Go to the place where you want to add the link and click on Link under Insert tab. In the pop-up window that appears, select Place in this document and click on the bookmark that you just created and click OK. Now hold Ctrl key on your keyboard while you click on the link and you'll automatically jump to the section you selected. Using hyperlinks is a convenient way to give your readers instant access to information without searching and scrolling.